This is verse 14 of the 13th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Jesus explaining why he speaks to the people in parables and appealing to Isaiah, who indicates that they will see but not see, is the idea, that because of the blindness of their hearts, the parable will be lost on them. And so, in a sense, Jesus is indicating that the fact that he speaks in parables simply, as it were, smokes out the idea that some people don't have eyes to see. And then actually quoting from this text in Isaiah to drive the point home, we have kai, the connective, anapleruntai. This is from anapleroo. Pleroo means to fill up. The ana means to fill it up to the brim. It's just emphasizing it. So thus will be completely or fully brought to completion, brought to fulfillment. Autois, the masculine plural dative, with respect to them. Dative of respect. So thus will be fully completed with respect to them. Then he propheteia, the prophecy. This is in the nominative, so the nominative suggesting the subject now is going to be the prophecy will be completely filled up with respect to them. It is Esaiu, this is in the genitive, the prophecy of Isaiah, and then apposition to it, he legusa, the saying. So it's the prophecy, the one that says. And then quoting from that Old Testament text, this is from Isaiah chapter 6. We have akoe. This is a noun. In the dative, it means the act of hearing, the event of hearing something. It's in the dative to suggest dative of reference with respect to hearing. Then the same word in the verb form, akuseta, the future, second person plural, future active indicative. So in the act of hearing, they will hear. Kai, very strong negation, may, used to suggest the idea of never. So they will hear and never. Suneta, this is from sunimi. It is the combination of sun, which means together, and the ime, iemi actually, is an unused verb actually in the New Testament, except in this combination. It means to send, and together means to send together, to put together, and from that idiomatically the idea of to get it, to understand, to put it all together is the notion here. So they will hear. In the act of hearing, they will hear and not put it together. They're not going to be able to see the meaning. And then similarly, kai, blepontes. Now this is a participle, present participle, masculine, singular nominative, and in the act of seeing or seeing, blepsitag, in the future, they will see, kai, same strong negation, and not ideta. Ideta from edo means to see, but it was used more commonly to mean to see something as an understanding it. So they'll hear, but they won't hear. They'll see, but they won't see. And so that will bring to fulfillment the prophecy that Isaiah himself gave, that there will be a kind of blindness that will dominate in the hearts and minds of some people, such that any amount of evidence is going to be unpersuasive to them because they are fully unwilling to see it. They simply won't see it. And of course, the clear idea is, apart from the grace of God changing a person's heart, they remain blind and unable and unwilling to see.